I just bought this yarn dispenser. It's a tool to release yarn as you stitch. I never used one of these before. I'm gonna give it a try, and if it's any good, I will leave the link in the description box below where I bought mine. So it's like this. And here in the back it says that whole stitch markers, slot hole pattern, and gadget gadget ruler. Sorry about my English. Keep yarn clean, no roll away balls. So I just bought it. I'm gonna give it a try. So if it's any good, I will leave the link in the box below where I bought it, because I'm tired of doing some work and starting from the inside of the ball of yarn, and sometimes you get a knot in the middle and then you are recording and it's a nightmare. So let's see how this works. So I'm gonna try it first with this huge ball of thread. I want to do two balls, that way I can work with them together with two strands. So I'm gonna wind this in my yarn winder. I'm gonna leave where I buy my yarn winder as well in the description box below. That way, just in case you want to buy one of those. I already showed you how to use one of those yarn winder. I did some big cakes for other projects. I absolutely love that little gadget. So I'm gonna do this and I will let you know. I don't think this is made for this work, for winding yarn, because this one is so tall and I'm going so fast. It's not going around, but I'm making things easier for me. Only get stuck a few times when I go to the top, because that is so tall, this, and I'm going so fast. So when you're working knitting or crocheting, it will be easier. But you see, it gets easier as the ball gets smaller. It gets much easier to wind this little ball of yarn. I absolutely love doing this. It's very relaxing. I can spend hours making cakes from leftover yarn. So I will let you know when I put one of the balls in there to see if it works when I'm working. And then it might actually work. So I'll continue doing this.
and I'll let you know.
That's what I'm making. I'm gonna use 2 strands. What I'm gonna do when I have 250 grams in this one, I'm gonna put the 2 strands together and then make one big ball already with the 2 strands. That way it's easier working my bikini cover up that I'm gonna do with this. I'm really enjoying this. I'm doing a chain for a project that I'm doing, a video, and I decided to try it in here, and it's perfect. This is a wind up ball of yarn like I show you. For winding yarn, it's not good. I don't recommend it for that. Only if you're just winding from one cake to another or a smaller ball to a cake, because it's better for this, you see, because you're pulling, as you pull, as you work, you are not pulling hard, you just, and it goes in circle. This is perfect for my recording because I don't have to be pulling my yarn to have more and more to work with. So this is perfect for that. I focus on my work and know if I have enough tension. This is the perfect tension for your project. So I really recommend it. Like I said, I try winding my ball of thread with it, but for that I don't recommend it. I recommend it for this. This is what it's for. This was a recommendation from my friend Maria Ruiz. She's a subscriber and a friend, so I really appreciate her recommendation, and now I'm recommending this to you just in case you guys want to buy one. I'm gonna leave the link where I buy mine in the description box below, and let me know if you like it, if you enjoy yours. You can do it through here, through my YouTube or my Facebook page, Ruby Net Crochet Tejido, or my Instagram, Ruby Net Crochet Tejido. Please share my video with friends and family, that way you help me grow here on YouTube. I wish you have a beautiful day.